Welcome, tech-savvy enthusiasts and aspiring app entrepreneurs. In this exciting journey, we will explore the process of creating a mobile app and unlocking its potential to generate passive income. Mobile apps have revolutionized the way we live, work, and play, making them a promising avenue for future investments and financial growth. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this thrilling adventure. Part 1. The shifting landscape of investing and finance. In recent years, the world of investing and finance has witnessed groundbreaking shifts. The digital era has given rise to a multitude of investment opportunities beyond traditional avenues. Among these opportunities, mobile apps stand tall as an ever-growing lucrative sector. With the rise of smartphones and the increasing demand for digital solutions, apps have become an essential part of our daily lives. Now is the time to capitalize on this trend and turn your app dreams into reality. Part 2. Developing your mobile app. The journey to passive income through a mobile app starts with a brilliant idea. Look for a problem that needs solving or a niche that has untapped potential. Take inspiration from your own experiences or explore the app market to identify gaps that your app can fill. Once you have your idea, research the market thoroughly to understand your potential competitors and target audience. Conduct surveys, gather feedback, and iterate on your concept. The more insights you gain, the better your app will be. Now comes the technical part, app development. You have two main options here: learn app development yourself or hire a skilled development team. DIY development might save you some money, but it requires time, dedication, and a learning curve. Hiring professionals can speed up the process and ensure a polished product. Whichever route you choose, remember to focus on delivering a user-friendly and visually appealing app. Part 3. Monetizing your mobile app. Congratulations, your app is live on the App Store. But how do you turn downloads into passive income? Let's explore some effective strategies. Freemium model. Offer your app for free with limited features and provide premium, value-added services for a fee. This allows users to experience your app's value before committing to a purchase. In-app purchases. Integrate virtual goods, features, or content that users can purchase within the app. Keep the pricing reasonable to encourage more transactions. Advertisements. Partner with relevant advertisers to display ads within your app. Ensure the ads do not disrupt the user experience. Subscription model. Offer subscription plans with exclusive benefits and content. This model creates a consistent stream of income as users renew their subscriptions. Affiliate marketing. Collaborate with brands and earn commissions by promoting their products or services through your app. Part 4. Nurturing your passive income stream. Creating an app and monetizing it is just the beginning. To sustain a passive income stream, you must continue to improve and market your app. Regularly update your app to fix bugs, introduce new features, and address user feedback. Engage with your users through social media, newsletters, and customer support. Happy users are more likely to become loyal advocates for your app. Furthermore, invest in App Store optimization, ASO, to improve your app's visibility on app stores. Use analytics to understand user behavior and identify areas for improvement. Keep a close eye on market trends and evolving user preferences to stay ahead of the competition. Embarking on the journey of creating a mobile app for passive income can be both exciting and rewarding. By tapping into the booming app market and embracing innovative monetization strategies, you have the potential to turn your app into a lucrative income stream. Remember to stay committed, flexible, and responsive to the ever-changing digital landscape. So, seize the opportunity, develop your app, and let it set sail in the sea of passive income. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating ride through the world of mobile app development and passive income. If you're ready to dive deeper into the realm of tech and entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and updates on the latest trends. Remember, your app idea could be the next big thing. So let your creativity flow, and let's conquer the world of mobile apps together. Until next time, happy apping.